Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul. I know it's been a long time and I literally have been having Dollar Tree withdrawals and I feel like I'm an addict. I am officially addicted to the Dollar Tree and I don't know why I stopped going. Actually, I do know why I stopped going. When I start doing a lot of Dollar Tree hauls, I stop going to the Dollar Tree because I have this really weird thing where I think I'm going to be recognized at the Dollar Tree, and I know I sound crazy and stuff, but I just have this like weird phobia that I'll be recognized, and I just stopped going. And I just need to get over the fact that this is part of what I do. I stopped going to the Dollar Tree almost to put a freeze on my channel from growing. And I do this periodically. I don't know if you guys have noticed. It's an issue I have with myself. It's like I'm a very shy, introverted person. So to be recognized is kind of like uncomfortable for me. And yeah, it's just a really weird situation to be in. So I need to get over my fear. I want you all to know that if you ever meet me or ever come across me, I'm not trying to avoid you or like ignore you or anything like that. It's more of like my personal issues that I literally have like panic attacks and I feel like I need to run or I need to get away from certain people. It's just how I am, and yeah, I don't mean to be rude, or I don't want you guys to think that like I'm two different types of people, if you know what I mean. It's just honestly something I need to work on and something I need to get over, because I obviously need to continue doing my Dollar Tree hauls if I want my channel to continue to grow. Like there's only so much I can do to stop it from growing, and I need to get over the fear of possibly meeting some of you out there, and it has nothing to do with you. It's like seriously, it's all me, because I'm just a very shy person in real life. Like I don't socialize a lot. I socialize because I have to, like my work environment and stuff, but I personally am a very shy, introverted person. So anyway, long intro, but I did want to show you some of the things that I found from Dollar Tree. You guys know it's seriously my favorite store, along with the 99-cent store. I've got my handy dandy half off happy hour frappuccino, so I may have a little bit more energy than usual, but it's because I have this. And let's get right into it. So I picked up some of these cotton stems. I purchased all of them, all the ones they had, so I think there's 6 of them here, and I'm gonna stick these on my mantle. I have this vase that used to have like Christmas decorations. Till this day it had Christmas decorations, but I recently like changed it up a bit. So I'm just gonna add these to my tall vase on my mantle. If you guys don't know, I love farmhouse decor. I'm really into that, just rustic and just like country living home decor. It's just absolutely beautiful, and these are super gorgeous. Let me try and take them out of the package here so you can see them. But they are beautiful. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just a like cotton stem, and that just says cotton on here. I know guys, I need to do my nails like ASAP, but these are so pretty, and for $1, how else can I describe this stuff? It's seriously only $1. It's so cheap. I'm telling you when I say you do not have to spend a lot of money to look cute, so you can buy makeup, eyelashes, everything at the Dollar Tree, nails, nail polish. You can literally decorate your home for super cheap from the Dollar Tree and the 99-cent store, and you're all set to go. But I wanted to share this with you because that is a steal of a lifetime. And I was so excited to find those. I'm gonna do the home stuff in like this video, and then I'll separate like Leilani's things and stuff like that in another video. That way this video isn't super long, because I'm looking at this thing and it's saying I've already been talking for 6 minutes, which is crazy to me. This is a candle, obviously, and the scent is salted caramel, and it's a big candle, guys. This isn't the tiny little typical candle that you get from the Dollar Tree. I have one right here. So this is typically what the Dollar Tree sells, like one that's about this size. This is what the Dollar Tree is selling us now. And I mean, I don't know. They seriously know what they're doing, because obviously they're giving us more for our buck. So I got the salted caramel. As you can see, I'm getting super prepared for fall because it's one of my favorite seasons of all time. It's seriously the best. It's so hot right now. It's like ridiculously hot. 120 degrees and up. I do not consider that a pleasant summer experience at all. And I've always hated summer because it's just unbearable. So when it starts to cool down, it's just like, just refreshing for me. The other candle I picked up is Old Williamsburg candle in apple cinnamon. And I just thought that would be so nice to burn during the fall and winter months. And I just can't believe they're giving us a 7-ounce candle compared to, you know, the typical tiny little candles we get. They're giving us, you know, a generous amount for $1. So thank you, Dollar Tree. You are amazing. Okay. Next, I needed just some essentials. This is the Glad snack zipper bags, and you get 29 bags for $1, which I thought was a good deal. I love these for Leilani snacks. Her strawberries, her grapes, her granola. I mean, I always put different little snacks in these little bags, so I thought I would stock up since I was there. I also got these trash bags, which I've repurchased, and these I mainly use in our kitchen because they're a lot more durable. You get 14 bags for $1, which is not a bad deal. I've looked at Walmart to see if like a bigger roll would make more sense, but I find that you really don't save that much money compared to the Dollar Tree. I think you may get a little bit more for your $1 at the Dollar Tree with trash bags, because trash bags, I mean, it's literally a bag where you're going to put trash into it and you're going to throw it away. Why would I want to spend more than $1 on trash bags? I mean, call me crazy or call me cheap, but I mean, do you want to pay more than $1 for trash bags? I have been wanting these mugs for my coffee. I just think they're so pretty. You could totally use this to decorate in your makeup room, or if you have a vanity, you can put your lipsticks or your lip balms in this, or even your makeup brushes, and this would look so gorgeous. So I had to pick them up. I picked up 2. I may go back and pick up 2 more because I'd like to have like a little set, because I just think these are darling. It's just a clear mug, and not that I need any more mugs, you know, I'm a mug addict as well, but I really, really like this, and I'd seen them there multiple times, so I figured, you know, while I was there, I would pick them up, and they're just that pretty. I picked up another packet of those trash bags, and I forgot to mention, but this is the Good Sense lemon scented trash bags. So I picked up 2 of them because I was running low. And that's like an essential for my home. I always buy stuff like that, or even like the little plastic bags at the Dollar Tree because it's just easy and convenient. I also picked up these Good Sense Zippers Seal sandwich bags, and this one came with 45 bags. So I always pick up my little sandwich bags and stuff there. Okay, sticking to the home theme, I picked up these little frames, and when I saw these, it just reminded me of like farmhouse decor, and you guys know I'm hooked with the whole farmhouse decor, so I had to pick up 2, and originally I had 6 of them in my little cart, but thinking a little collage, which you totally could, and that would be so darling, but then I figured I'd just pick up 2 and then just stick up on my bookshelf. I have like a little bookshelf near my TV area in the living room, so I figured I could stick them in there and they would look so cute. But it's that like wooden theme, and I have a lot of like wood elements in my home. Like a lot of my frames, the actual frame is like wooden material, so I just thought these were so cute for $1, so had to have them. I also picked up these. These are the tall kitchen bags. I don't use these in the kitchen, however I use these in my bathrooms because they're like just a cheaper, you know, material, but they come like this. I'm sure you guys have all seen these. They come with 28 bags, and these work really well for bathrooms because, I mean, toilet paper is pretty soft, and it's not like, you don't need a heavy duty bag for the bathroom, if you know what I'm saying. So I picked up 2 of these to have for the bathrooms. I probably should have picked up another one, that way I could have one in every single bathroom, but I just grabbed 2, and then this is in the vanilla scent. So you get 28 for $1, and I figured that is not a bad deal because, like I said earlier, it's trash. You're seriously just gonna throw it away, and I just don't like to spend more than I have to for a trash bag. I'm so excited, guys, because I'm gonna be organizing. You guys know how much I love organizing and cleaning and decorating, and I'm always doing something, and I just love that I get to share this side of me with people that are into the same thing, and it's seriously such a gift. And every time I really think about it, like, I get really emotional because we share something similar and we have something in common, and that's why you're watching this video. So I love organizing, so when I saw these, I knew I had to get them. And basically what it is, it says it's a fridge soda can storage, but I'm not going to use it for that. I'm going to actually use it for my canned food because I have so much canned food and I don't even know what I have anymore because it's literally so messy in there and I want to clean it up. So that's why I bought these with that in mind. That way I can get organizing and it can look pretty, because I love when a space is super organized and super functional. So I figured I'd give it a chance. And if you guys are having a hard time finding these items, I have seen them on the Dollar Tree website, which, I mean, is awesome. Especially if you need a lot of them, you can just order them on dollartree.com and then they can ship it to the store for free, and then you can pick it up. So I just wanted to share that because a lot of you guys were telling me that you were having a hard time finding like the acrylic, which I used to have right here, but I guess I moved it. But like the acrylic to faux acrylic, it's plastic, but basically to organize your makeup. I recently did a video on some of the items I use from the Dollar Tree to organize my makeup, and you guys were saying that you can't find the acrylic looking bins. Well, Dollar Tree has them online. So if you place an order online, they will deliver it to their store and you can pick it up from there, which is awesome, guys, because I know a lot of you were saying you can't find them, which is crazy to me because there's so many at my stores. So I figured I'd share that on here. Same with these, and they had a few other ones on their website as well, but you could totally use them for your soda, obviously. Or I was even thinking, how cute would these be for foundation? Like if you have a lot of foundations, you could totally use these to organize your foundations or even your moisturizers, things like that. So I wanted to share that. Oh my god, how is this video 19 minutes long? Oh my goodness. And then the only other thing that's home related are these terry dish cloths, and I just thought these looked Farmhouse, so I picked them up. Like, they're just so cute. I use these to wipe down my counters, my kitchen table, stuff like that, my coffee bar, so I figured I'd pick some up, and these are so cute. Look at this print. And you get 2 for $1, which is a steal. So yes, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you saw something that you liked. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. I post pictures as soon as I see stuff on my Instagram, so go follow me on there. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future Dollar Tree hauls. Thank you so much for everything, guys. You are seriously the best, and just thank you for being there and for sharing one of my hobbies. I'd love to hear how you've been doing. If you have found anything that I've missed, please let me know in a comment down below. I am on the hunt for some pumpkins, and I posted them on my Instagram. They're like these white pumpkins, but the ones that I found were broken. Like the top, like the little stem part was broken. So I am on the hunt for those pumpkins, and you better believe I'm gonna go to like 10 different Dollar Trees to find those pumpkins because I just need those in my life. They're so cute and they're $1, so I am going to be on the hunt for those. I have more goodies in there that I want to share with you, so yeah, stick around.